Dear students, in the previous classes we learned the differential equations of the type variable separable method of exact differential equations and homogeneous differential equations. Linear differential equations. Today I want to explain about homogeneous differential equations. So what are the homogeneous differential equations? Before going to the differential equation, we know about the homogeneous function. A function f of xy, f is said to be a homogeneous function in x and y of degree n if f of kx comma ky is equal to k to the power of n into f of x comma y for all k, then that is called as a homogeneous function of degree n. If we have given a function in variables x and y, let us take that is equal to f. By substituting x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky in the given function, if it can be expressed in the form of k to the power of n into its original function f of x comma y, then the function is said to be a homogeneous function with degree n. Or if it can be put in the form of x to the power of n into g of y by x or y to the power of n into phi of x by y, then also the function is said to be homogeneous of degree n. So here the homogeneous differential equation means a differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y is said to be a homogeneous if f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0 in x and y. That means in the numerator and denominator each term should be with the same degree. Then we can say that is a function of homogeneous differential equation. For example, we have given f of x comma y is equal to xy by x square plus y square. We have given dy by dx is equal to xy by x square plus y square. To check whether it is homogeneous differential equation or not, at first we should know about this is homogeneous equation, homogeneous function with degree 0. In the numerator, the degree of the function is x into y, 1 plus 1, 2. The degree is 2. And here also two terms are there in the denominator. They are also having with the same degree 2. So each term is having with the same degree 2. So this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Or we can, by substituting x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky, then this becomes f of kx comma ky is equal to x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky. This becomes k square into xy by here k square x square plus k square y square. By taking common as k square here, k square into xy by k square into x square plus y square. Here k square can be get cancelled, we will get the original function. So this can be written as k to the power of 0 into f of x comma y. So this is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. This is called as homogeneous differential equation. So what is the homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree 0 in x and y. So this is the homogeneous function of degree 0. So if we have given the homogeneous differential equations, so what is the method to solve it? So method of solving homogeneous differential equations are: write the given equation in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function by function f of xy by g of x comma y. Then y is equal to vx, some other variable y is equal to vx. Then differentiating with respect to x on both sides, what we will get dy by dx is equal to d by dx, here d by dx of vx means by applying the integrate product rule, d by dx of vx is v plus v into d by dx of x plus x into d by dx of v, that is v plus x dv by dx. So we can write dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx in the first equation. Substitute the values of y is equal to vx and dy by dx in the given equation. The reduced equation involves v and x only, y will be disappear. So we are getting the equation v and x after substituting y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. In the first equation we will get the equation in terms of v and x only. Now by solving this equation by variable separable method, we can solve the equation by variable separable method. So in the obtained solution, put v is equal to y by x. V is the substituted variable, so put v is equal to y by x. So that is the solution for the given differential equation. So we will learn some problems in this homogeneous differential equations method. Number 1, solve x square y dx is equal to x cube plus y cube dy. So this is not possible in the variable separable method, and this is not the linear form, and this is we cannot solve by using the exact differential equation. So this is not in the form of m dx plus n dy. Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So write it in dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to x square y by x cube plus y cube. Now check whether it is homogeneous function or not. See here in the numerator, what is the degree of the term here? 2 plus 1, 3. So this term, degree of this term is 3, and here in the denominator we can see 2 terms, each having the degree as 3. So this is the homogeneous differential equation with the order 0. So f of x comma y is equal to this one. Once again we can check by putting x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky here. By putting x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky, this becomes k square x square into ky by k cube x cube plus k cube y cube. So here k square into k, that is k cube into x square y by k cube into x cube plus y cube, that is equal to k to the power of 0 into f of x comma y. This is homogeneous function of degree 0. So we confirm this as the given differential equation is the homogeneous differential equation. So what is the procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation? To solve the differential equation, put y is equal to vx. Put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now substitute these two values in the equation 1. Then that becomes dy by dx can be written as v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square into y is equal to vx. X square into vx by x cube plus v cube x cube. So that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square into x, that is x cube into v by x cube into 1 plus v cube, that is equal to v by 1 plus v cube. X dv by dx is equal to v by 1 plus v cube, and this plus v becomes minus v here. So by taking LCM here, 1 plus v cube is the LCM, and v minus v into 1 plus v cube, that is v into 1 is v minus v into v cube is v to the power of 4, that is equal to plus v minus v get cancelled, that is minus v to the power of 4 by 1 plus v cube. Now we got x dy by dx is equal to minus v to the power of 4 by 1 plus v cube. Now by using the variable separable method, by separating the variables here, by integrating both sides, we will get the solution for this differential equation. X dv by dx is equal to v by 1 plus v cube minus v, that is v minus v to the power of 4 by 1 plus v cube, that is equal to minus v to the power of 4 by 1 plus v cube. X dv by dx is equal to minus v to the power of 4 by 1 plus v cube. By separating the variables, that means sending all the function of v to dv side and all the terms with x dx side, then this whole function is v. So by transforming this into the left hand side, that becomes 1 plus v cube by v to the power of 4 dv is equal to, here x by dx becomes minus dx by x, this minus into dx by x. Now the variables are separated. These are the v variables of v and this is the variable of x. Integrating on both sides, integral 1 plus v cube by v to the power of 4 dv is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx. So by separating the variables here, integral 1 by v to the power of 4 plus v cube by v to the power of 4 dv is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx. Integral v to the power of minus 4 dv plus integral 1 by v dv is equal to minus log x plus log c. So that is v to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 plus, so we know that integral x to the power of n dx is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. By using that formula, we can write it as v to the power of minus 3 by minus 3 plus, you know that v cube by v to the power of 4 dv becomes 1 by v dv, that is log v, and this is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx is minus log x plus log c. We are taking the constant is also in terms of log, that is log c. So this can be written as minus 1 by 3 v cube plus log v plus log x minus log c is equal to log c. That is log v plus log x minus log c is equal to 1 by 3 v cube. So by substituting v is equal to y by x here, log of y by x plus log x minus log c is equal to 1 by 3 into v cube means y cube by x cube. Log of y by x into here log a plus log b means log of a into b, that is y by x into x, minus log b means divided by c, that is y by c is equal to x cube by 3y cube. So this can be written as log y by c is equal to x cube by 3y cube. This is the solution for the given differential equation. So to solve the homogeneous differential equation, at first we should confirm whether it is homogeneous or not. Then if it is homogeneous differential equation, put y is equal to vx, then differentiating with respect to x on both sides, it becomes dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Then by substituting the value of dy by dx and y is equal to vx in the given differential equation, then the equation becomes in terms of v and x. Now by simplification and separating the variables, we can separate the variables as like this: v terms dv side and all the x terms dx side. By integrating on both sides, we will get the solution. In that solution, we have to substitute v is equal to y by x. Then by simplifying that, we will get the solution. Problem. Solve y square dx plus xy plus x square dy is equal to 0. Here also we cannot separate the variables here. And is this exact differential equation? No. Here what is dou m by dou y, that is 2y, and what is dou n by dou x, that is different. So these are not equal. So that is not the uh, this exact differential equation. This is not the linear form. So write what is dy by dx here. So that is xy plus x square dy is equal to minus of y square dx. So here dy by dx can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus y square by xy plus x square. So here we can check whether it is homogeneous or not by simply checking the each term of the function. If we have the same degree in each term, then we can say that that is the homogeneous differential equation. If we check this function in the numerator, it is y square is there. What is the degree of this term? That is 2. So in the denominator, we can see the two terms. What is the first term of degree? That is x1, y1. That is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So first term, the degree of the first term is 2, and the degree of the second term is also 2. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. So this equation is a homogeneous function of degree 0. So after confirming the given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation, then put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now the equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus y square means v square x square by x into y means x into vx plus x square. So that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square into minus v square by x square into v plus 1. That is v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus v square by v plus 1 minus v. So that is x dv by dx is equal to, by taking the LCM here, minus v square minus v by v plus 1. So here minus v square by v plus 1 minus v into v plus 1 whole divided by v plus 1. That becomes like this. That is equal to minus 2v square plus v by v plus 1. So this is x dv by dx. By taking v common here, v into minus v into 2v plus 1. So by separating the variables here, this is totally the function of v. So by transforming this function into the dv side, left hand side, then that becomes, this function will be inversed. V plus 1 by 2v square plus v dv is equal to into minus dx by x. Now by integrating on both sides, after separating the variables, by integrating on both sides, integral v plus 1 by 2v square plus v dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. So that is integral v plus 1 by v into 2v plus 1 dv is equal to integral dx by x is log x, that is minus is also there, minus log x plus the constant is log c. So here we can write it as by using partial fractions. This can be written as v plus 1 by v into 2v plus 1, as by taking partial fractions as v plus 1 by v into 2v plus 1 is equal to a by v plus b by 2v plus 1. By simplifying that, we will get the partial fractions as like this, integral 1 by v minus 1 by 2v plus 1 dv. that is equal to minus log x plus log c. So what is integral 1 by v dv? That is log v minus integral 1 by 2v plus 1 dv is 1 by 2 into log of 2v plus 1 is equal to minus log x plus log c. By substituting v is equal to y by x here, log y by x minus 1 by 2 log of v is equal to y by x, that is 2y by x plus 1 is equal to minus log x plus c. That is by taking here 2 LCM, then you will get 2 log y by x minus log of, by taking LCM here, x 2y plus x by x minus log x becomes plus x when it comes here, that is equal to log c. That is log y by x whole square. 2 log y by x can be written as log y by x whole square. That can be written as log y square by x square minus log 2y plus x by x plus log x is equal to log c. Log of this is in the form of log a minus log b plus log c. So log a into c, log of y square by x square into x divided by 2y plus x by x square. That becomes, here x square get cancelled. You will get xy square by 2y plus x, log of xy square by 2y plus x is equal to log c. By removing log on both sides, we will get xy square by 2y plus x is equal to c, or this can be written as xy square is equal to c into 2y plus x. Thus, we can find the solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Now coming to the next problem. Solve x square plus y square dx is equal to xy dy. By writing dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy, x square plus y square by 2xy. Dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. Say, let us take this is the first equation. Now check whether it is a homogeneous function or not. If we check the differential equation, in the denominator, in the numerator, we can see two terms. The first term having with the degree 2 and second term is also degree 2, and in the denominator 2xy means degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1, 1 plus 1 2. So three terms are having the same degree. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. So put y is equal to vx. After confirming that if this is a homogeneous differential equation, put y is equal to vx. That is dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus v square x square by 2x into vx. Here by substituting the values of y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus y square means v square x square by 2xy means 2x into vx. So that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to, by taking x square as common here, x square into 1 plus v square by 2v. That is x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. That is 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v, that is equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. X dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. 2v by 1 minus v square dv is equal to dx by x. So that is minus of minus 2v by 1 minus v square dv, because to convert it into the f dash x by f of x form, I kept minus into minus integral dx by x. The variables are separated. Now after separating the variables, integrate the function on both sides. Here check whether it is in the form of f dash x by f of x dx. What is f of x here? That is 1 minus v square, and what is its derivative? That is minus 2v dv. So this is in the form of f dash x by f of x, that is log f of x. Here minus is there, minus log f of x means log 1 minus v square is equal to log x plus log c. So that is log x plus log of 1 minus v square is equal to log c. That is this is in the form of log a plus log b, that is x into 1 minus v square is equal to c. Now substitute what is v here. X into 1 minus v is equal to y by x, that is y square. V square means y square by x square. Now by taking LCM here, x into x square minus y square by x square, then x cancel, then we will get x square minus y square by x is equal to c, or x square minus y square is equal to cx. So once again see this problem. We have given the differential equation to solve x square plus y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. Now write the equation in the form of dy by dx is equal to some f of x comma y. So here dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. It is a homogeneous differential equation. So put y is equal, after confirming the given equation is a homogeneous, then substitute y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now the first equation becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to, put y is equal to vx here, that is x square plus v square x square, 2x into vx, that is x square into 1 plus v square by x square into 2v. X dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v, that is 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v, that is equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. X dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. 2v by 1 minus v square dv is equal to dx by x. Now the terms, the variables are separated. So the function, total function, this is in the v function of v. So this is shifted to dv side, that is the left hand side. When it comes to this side, this becomes 2v by 1 minus v square dv, and x by dx becomes dx by x. Now after separating the variables, integrate on both sides. Integral 2v by 1 minus v square dv is equal to integral dx by x. So integrate this function. First check whether it is in the form of dash x by f of x. So here fx is 1 minus v square and f dash x is minus 2v. So that's why I kept minus into minus to convert it into the form of integral f dash x by f of x dx. That is equal to integral dx by x. So that is minus log of f of x, that is minus log of 1 minus v square is equal to log x plus log c. Log x plus log of 1 minus v square is equal to log c, that is log a plus log b can be written as x into 1 minus v square is equal to c, that is x into 1 minus v square means 1 minus y square by x square is equal to c. So that is x into x square minus y square by x square is equal to c. X cancel, x square minus y square is equal to cx. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. Next problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to y cube plus 3x square y by x cube plus 3xy square. So the given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to y cube plus 3x square y by x cube plus 3xy square. So this is not possible by using variable separable method, and this is not the linear form, and this is not the exact differential equation. Now check for homogeneous differential equation whether it is homogeneous function or not. By observing that the given function in the numerator we can see two terms, the degree of the first term is 3 and the degree of the second term is also 2 plus 1, that is 3, and in the denominator also we are having two terms, the degree of the first term is 3 and the degree of the second term is also 3. So this is each term degree is same, equal in the numerator and denominator. So we can say that the given equation is a homogeneous differential equation. So put y is equal to vx, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. These two terms are, these two steps are common to all different homogeneous differential equation type. So now equation 1 becomes by putting y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. That becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to y cube means v cube x cube plus 3x square into y is equal to vx by x cube plus 3x into v square x square. That is x cube, by taking x cube as common here, x cube into v cube plus 3v by x cube into 1 plus 3v square. X dv by dx is equal to v cube plus 3v by 1 plus 3v square minus v. That is equal to v cube plus 3v minus v minus 3v cube by 1 plus 3v square. That is equal to minus 2v cube. So equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to v cube x cube plus 3x square vx by x cube plus 3x into y square means v square into x square. By taking x cube as common here, v cube plus 3v by x cube into 1 plus 3v square. Now x dv by dx is equal to v cube plus 3v by 1 plus 3v square, and this plus v becomes minus v when it comes to right hand side. That can be taken as v cube plus 3v minus v into 1 plus 3v square, that becomes minus v into 1 minus v into 3v square minus 3v square v cube by 1 plus 3v square. So this is v cube minus 3v cube can be written as minus 2v cube plus 3v minus v, that is plus 2v divided by 1 plus 3v square. By taking minus 2v as common here, minus 2v into v square minus 1 by 1 plus 3v square. So x dv by dx is equal to minus 2v into v square minus 1 by 1 plus 3v square. Now by separating the variables, that becomes 1 plus 3v square by 2v into v square minus 1 dv is equal to minus dx by x. Minus dx by x. That is 1 plus 3v square by 2 here, 2 into dx by x, v into v square minus 1 can be written as v plus 1 into v minus 1 dv is equal to 2 into integral dx by x. So by using the partial fractions we can integrate this function, that is 1 plus 3v square by v into v plus 1 into v minus dv is equal to, here we can see the three linear factors in the denominator, that's why I have taken it as a by v plus b by v plus 1 plus c by v minus 1. So here by equating the numerators here, 1 plus 3v square is equal to a into v square minus 1 plus bv into v minus 1 plus cv into v plus 1. That is av square minus a plus bv square minus bv plus cv square plus cv. Now a plus b plus c into v square plus c minus b into v minus a. Now by comparing the coefficients of v square terms, v the constants, we will get minus a is equal to 1, that is a is equal to minus 1, and that is the constant. A plus b plus c, this is the coefficients of v square terms, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 3. So here by putting a is equal to minus 1, b plus c is equal to 4, and c minus b is equal to 0, minus b plus c is equal to 0. So 2c is equal to 4 and c is equal to b is equal to. So this can be written as integral 1 plus 3v square by v into v plus 1 into v minus 1 dv, that is equal to minus integral minus 1 by v plus 2 by v plus 1 plus 2 by v minus 1 dv. So that is integral minus log v plus 2 log of v plus 1 plus 2 log of v minus 1, that is equal to log x plus log c. So this can be written as log of v plus 1 whole square plus log of v minus 1 whole square minus log v is equal to log x square plus log c, that is log of v plus 1 whole square into v minus 1 whole square by v is equal to log cx square, that can be written as log of v square minus 1 whole square by v is equal to log cx square. By removing log on both sides we will get v square minus 1 whole square by v is equal to cx square, or by putting v is equal to y by x, it becomes y square by x square minus 1 whole square by y by x is equal to cx square. Y square minus x square by x square into x by y is equal to cx square, that is y by x is equal to y square minus x square whole square by x square into cx square, that is y is equal to y square minus x square whole square by cx cube. So thus we can solve the differential equations by using this method, that is homogeneous differential equations.